Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with actually two work from home job leads for you. It wouldn't be me if I didn't throw another healthcare video into the day other than Walgreens. Today we have the company Alma. Now, one thing to note about them, they are a mental health company. They only have 35 reviews on Glassdoor, so as always, please make sure you're doing your own research on all of these companies that I share before giving them your personal information. But out of the 35 reviews on my house, they have a 3.7 out of 5-star rating. As always, the links to this page if you want to go read the specific reviews, and the links to the job pages if you want to put those applications in are always linked in the YouTube description box below this video. But Alma has two different healthcare positions open. One is going to be regarding claims, and the other is going to be on the eligibility side. So they're both kind of in the healthcare billing type field, but Alma is on a mission to simplify access to high quality, affordable mental health care. This first position, they are looking for an operations associate for their claims department. Now, it does say it's a full-time position open to candidates across all U.S. geographic locations. It is a 40-hour per week, Monday through Friday job, but they do want you to work 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Eastern time. So if you're outside of that Eastern time zone, you'll have to convert your time zone to that to see if it works for you. For this position, they're looking to have somebody start by July 11th of 2023. But it says their team helps mental health providers see if their clients are in network. So you're basically going to be doing claims billing. You're going to review the claims submitted by the providers and submit claims to the insurance companies. You'll review the electronic claims back from the insurance payers, and once those claims are paid, you're going to post the payments to the patient's accounts, resolving those accounts. If for some reason the insurance company does not pay, you're going to troubleshoot and resolve those denied claims. You may contact the insurance companies by phone or online, and contact clients and providers through email. So it's either online, email, or on phone. There's different ways sometimes that you contact insurance providers. You'll execute a detail-oriented investigation using their online portals and tools to determine what needs to be taken on those claims, what actions need to be taken. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree. They're looking for somebody who has experience working with health insurance claims or in the health insurance industry. Someone who is detail-oriented, organized, has experience with data entry, and can use multiple platforms. You be a multitasker like Google Suite, Square, Zendesk, those types of things. Now, of course, pay for this position is $21 an hour, and of course, they offer a standard benefit package that includes medical, dental, vision, life, all of those things, 401k, paid time, all. Now, the other position Alma has open is an operations associate to do eligibility checks. Eligibility is checking to see if the patient actually has coverage with insurance. Again, this is a 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Eastern time, Monday through Friday job, but they are accepting applicants from all over the United States as long as you convert your time zone and agree to work those hours. Start date again is July 11th, but on the eligibility side, you're going to investigate the patient eligibility through the online payer portals and by calling the insurance payers, whichever is necessary, and you're going to communicate those eligibility to the patients and the clinical providers or doctors. Of course, you'll use the online investigation tools to help you do that job. Now, again, no college degree is needed for this one either. They want somebody who has experience determining health insurance eligibility. If you've used online insurance payer portals before, again, organized, detail-oriented, data entry experience, and great communication skills. Now, pay and benefits are the same, $21 an hour with that standard benefit package. All right, if these job leads were not for you, that's absolutely okay. Always feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.